Songbird! Over the years, I have shared so many of my favorite tips on how to open up your voice. And today, I am compiling my top 3. Yes, the top 3 tips of how to open up your voice across the last few years. I hope that you enjoy it.
What you're going to do is you are going to basically laugh, but kind of like it's an inside the throat laugh. It's a silent laughter. Okay, but there's a bit of sound as well. So it goes like this. You take a good, solid, deep breath in, and then you go. And you basically laugh it out until you run out of breath. And you do that a few times. Let's try that again. So we're going to take a good breath in, and then and you just keep going and going until you run out of breath.
Songbird, if you want more than just bite-sized lessons on random singing topics, and you truly would like to have a step-by-step process to follow that would help you master your voice in the most quickest way possible, if you would like to learn not just what exercises to practice, but in what order, in which exact range, and the best way to progress them each day, each week, each month, each year, and beyond. If you would like to be given specific daily workouts that you could work on every single day, being guided as to how long you should practice each day, and when it's time to actually move on to more difficult workouts, if you want to progress from where you are as a singer now to becoming the singer that you've always dreamed of, then I invite you, Songbird, go and check out the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy, where you can get access to all of my vocal training programs. Plus, I add new content every single month. And guess what? I want to let you check all that out for free for the next 7 days. I've made this the most affordable and, dare I say, comprehensive and best library of vocal training ever. There's my foundational course, The Vocal Revolution, which teaches you everything you need to know about vocal technique and takes you from beginner to advanced. There's also my incredible supplementary courses, for example, my How to Sing in Mixed Voice programs, where you can zero in on a particular topic or a particular part of your voice. There's the webinars and masterclasses where you get an intensive 30-minute to 90-minute booster on a particular focused subject. There's also the guided exercises and extras, where I give you intensive boosters, but in 5 to 15 minutes, also on a specific topic. And there is so much more. All of this to help you get grounded, take flight, and sing. Songbird, I'm always believing in you, and I just can't wait to see you inside the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy. Click on the link to start your 7-day free trial now.
Actually lift the soft palate. There's actually a few different things that we could do to activate that, and I'm going to show you those few different things, because for some people different things will activate it more readily, and for others, it won't. So I'm going to show you a few, and then you can play around with it and find the one that works most for you. Okay? All right. So one way that we can actually think about lifting the soft palate or activating that lift in the soft palate is to think about that feeling you get when you sneeze, when you're about to sneeze, when you're achoo, achoo, right? Just try that with me. Just go achoo, achoo, right? There's this. If you really observe what's going on, you should feel a sense of that back, the back of the roof of your mouth just sort of lift up a little bit, that sort of pre-sneeze bit. So that's one way that you can sort of, activate that feeling of the lift in the soft palate. As if you're about to sneeze. So it's kind of like when we talked about the pre-yawn stretch, as if you're about to yawn, or this is as if you're about to sneeze, okay? So that's one way. Another way that you can think about it is by saying a K sound like this. See, if you do that, and you really observe how it feels, you should feel a sense again of that soft palate lift in the back of the in the back of the roof of the mouth. So you try that again, and try and sort of create that feeling just before you sing. And another way to think about a soft palate lift is simply thinking about the feeling of when you laugh. So when you go, right? That's another way in which you can feel the soft palate lift. So
use your big support muscles. In order for your teeny tiny throat muscles to not get in the way when you sing, you gotta train yourself to switch on these bigger, lower torso muscles. This will give your voice the best support it needs and ultimately help you never sing with tension again. Do this by practicing correct
breathing technique. So, hands on ribcage, stretching them sideways and feel the expansion. This is the way you should be inhaling every time you sing. Not with a loud, gaspy breath that puffs up your chest and raises your shoulders like this.
Songbird, if you liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I would love for other songbirds just like you to find this channel and the videos and to learn how to sing as well. Now, if you'd like more tips on how to sing without tension and strain and therefore open up your voice more, please do go and check out this playlist. It's going to help you so much. And if you want to go deeper with your vocal technique, please go ahead to my website and check out my online courses and programs, and I'll see you there.